Hello dear friends, I'm your host MA Joya and you are watching my channel Joy Tech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can fix your mobile hanging problems. If you don't know how to fix it, then stay with me and watch my video till the end and you can easily get this how to fix it. So without wasting further time, let's start today's topic. First of all, tap at your mobile settings. Now scroll it down. Open your additional settings. Now scroll it down. Tap at developer option. Here you find the running services option. Tap at running services. Here you can see your RAM space is full or not. If your RAM space is full, then tap on the individual applications like this and stop them. Like this, you can easily enhance your RAM, and when your RAM space is enhanced, your mobile will be performed smoothly. I hope this trick will be helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share this to your friends. Thanks for watching.